Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a really cool Arduino project, a rain detector servo system using a potentiometer. With the help of potentiometer, we can control the speed of the motor. So let's dive into it.
We need an Arduino UNO, a raindrop sensor module, a servo motor, a 10K potentiometer, a breadboard and some jumper wires.
So let's see the circuit connections. We connect rain sensor D0 to Arduino D3. We connect rain sensor A0 to Arduino A0. We connect a potentiometer, this pin, to Arduino A1. We connect the servo signal pin to Arduino D5. Then we connect the VCC and ground to Arduino 5 volts and ground respectively. So the rain sensor detects the moisture. When rain is detected, D0 goes low. The potentiometer is connected to A1 to control the speed. The servo is connected to D5 for motion.
Now I'll quickly connect all the circuit components. We included the servo library and digital pins. In the loop, read rain detection from D3, wetness level from A0, potentiometer value from A1, map the pot valve to a delay to control servo speed. When rain is detected, the servo swaps 0 to 150 degree and back. Otherwise, it starts at 0. This gives us a smart system that can move based on real rain.
I have the rain sensor, potentiometer and servo all wired up as shown earlier. Right now the sensor is dry and as expected the servo is idle at 0 degree. Now I am going to simulate a little rain by gently sprinkling some water on the rain sensor plate. Watch closely. The sensor detects the moisture and the digital pin D3 goes low. That immediately triggers the servo to start sweeping from 0 to 150 degrees then back to 0. Now here's the interesting part. I will rotate the potentiometer slowly while the servo is moving. You can see the sweep speed changing in real time. Turn it clockwise and the servo moves faster. Turn it back counterclockwise and it slows down again. This shows how the potentiometer dynamically controls the step delay in the code, making the project interactive and customizable on the fly. Once the water evaporates or the sensor is dried, D3 goes high again and the servo immediately returns to the resting position at 0 degrees.
So this setup reacts to the real rain, moves the servo and lets you fine-tune speed all without touching the code.
This project is a great intro to sensors, servos and control logic. You can use it in automatic window system, weather detection setup or just as a fun Arduino system. If you find this video really helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below what would you like me to do next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.